What's up everybody, Justin here from Virtual Computers, bringing you another one of our great tips. Did you know you can use your iPad or iPhone with Zoom as a whiteboard? To the desk!
So here I am at my desk and I have my USB-C cable that I will connect right to my iPad here. Now I like to use the Apple cable, the one that comes with your power adapter, since I know that one always works. All USB-C cables are not made the same. But if you have it connected to your device and you connect it to your computer, now you can go and launch Zoom.
So once you're in your Zoom meeting, look at the bottom of your Zoom window and you will see Share Screen. Click on that and choose iPhone, iPad via cable. You may need to click Trust on your iOS device, but once you get through that, you'll see that your iPad is now shared to everybody within your Zoom, and in real time. What's nice is you can open up a notes app or a drawing app, draw right into it, and everyone else on your Zoom call can see what you're drawing. Using your iPad as a whiteboard in Zoom is a great way to do collaboration, or also if you're having technical problems, being able to share that screen with your IT provider, since there is no easy way for an IT provider to log into your iOS device. You could easily walk them through things with them on the phone. They can see what you're doing. It's a great little handy tool. That's it for us here at Virtual Computers. Stay tuned for more tips.